10 unforgettable things you must do in Bath. Number 5 will blow your mind. From the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, a pale treasure emerges. A city sculpted from honey-hued stone, steeped in history as rich as the waters that first brought it fame. This is Bath, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where every cobblestone whispers tales of Roman emperors and Georgian elegance. Join me, dear traveller, as we embark on a journey to uncover the beating heart of this remarkable city. Are you ready? The adventure begins now. A journey back in time, the Roman Baths. Our expedition commences in the very heart of Roman Britain, where 2,000 years ago an empire sought solace and rejuvenation. The Roman Baths, a marvel of engineering and ingenuity, stand testament to a civilization's fascination with the power of water. Feel the weight of centuries upon you as you gaze upon the sacred spring, its waters still bubbling forth as they have for millennia. Modern luxury Thermae Bath Spa? The legacy of the Romans lives on, not just in the preserved ruins, but in the very spirit of Bath. Today, we find ourselves drawn to a different kind of oasis, the Thermae Bath Spa. Imagine sinking into the warm, mineral-rich waters, feeling the stress of modern life melt away. Pulteney Bridge, a bridge to another era. Our exploration of Bath takes us now to a bridge unlike any other. Pulteney Bridge, with its charming shops lining either side, evokes a sense of Venice in the heart of England. Observe the intricate details of the architecture, a testament to a bygone era of elegance and grandeur. A Bath Abbey, a symphony in stone. Looming over the city like a benevolent guardian, Bath Abbey stands as a magnificent testament to faith and architectural grandeur. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a soaring symphony in stone, the sunlight streaming through stained glass windows, painting the air with a kaleidoscope of colours. Bath Abbey is not just a church, it is a sanctuary for the soul. Thermae Bath Spa rooftop pool, a secret oasis. High above the bustling streets of Bath, concealed within the contemporary elegance of the Thermae Bath Spa, lies a sanctuary unlike any other. Imagine, if you will, the feeling of warm, mineral-rich water enveloping you as you gaze out over the city. This is the magic of the Thermae Bath Spa rooftop pool, a secret oasis in the heart of the city. The Circus, a Georgian masterpiece. We leave the tranquility of the rooftop pool and venture back into the heart of Bath, this time to marvel at a different kind of wonder. The Circus, a perfect circle of Georgian townhouses, stands as a testament to the architectural genius of the era. The Circus is a living museum, a testament to Bath's enduring elegance. The Jane Austen Centre, a step back in literary time. For lovers of literature, Bath holds a particular allure. This was the city that captivated the heart and mind of Jane Austen, one of England's most beloved authors. The Jane Austen Centre is a must-visit for any fan, offering a glimpse into the life and times of this literary icon. Royal Victoria Park, an emerald oasis. Even in a city as rich in history and culture as Bath, there's always a need for green spaces, places to breathe and reconnect with nature. Royal Victoria Park, a sprawling expanse of verdant lawns, vibrant flower beds and towering trees, offers just that. Royal Victoria Park is a reminder that even in the heart of the city, nature's tranquility is never far away. Holborn Museum, treasures of art and history. Our journey through Bath takes us next to the Holborn Museum, a treasure trove of art and history housed in a stunning Georgian building. Marvel at the exquisite collection of paintings, silver and furniture, each piece whispering tales of bygone eras. The Holborn Museum is a feast for the senses, a reminder of Bath's rich artistic heritage. Prior Park Landscape Garden, a tapestry of nature and design. And finally, we venture just beyond the city limits to discover a landscape of breathtaking beauty. Prior Park Landscape Garden, with its sweeping vistas, cascading waterfalls, and serpentine lake, is a masterpiece of 18th century design. Prior Park Landscape Garden is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature's beauty. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the honey-stoned buildings of Bath, we come to the end of our journey. But the memories, like the city itself, will linger long after we've said our goodbyes. Bath, with its ancient history, architectural splendor and captivating charm, has a way of weaving its magic around you, leaving you forever enchanted. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.